Hello OFT family, today we have a Trader Joe's haul. So, this should come as no surprise. Hot honey chicken, or hot honey popcorn. Hot honey popcorn. 2 bags this time, because the other one last week, it didn't last but a day, I think. The sweet chili sauce, this is a restock. I love this stuff. I'm using it for tonight's dinner, so I needed to get another one. We have that. We've got some Honeycrisp apples. And then in this bag, we've got, this is a new item that I wanted to try. It's the slice porridge bread. It's a rustic sourdough made with honey and slow cooked oats. I thought that sounded delicious, so I'm gonna try that.
Yum.
Yeah. This is also a new item, and we've had the regular waffles with the pearl sugar. This is the strawberry version. So I wanted to try these. This was a big hit in the family, the regular ones, so I think the strawberry ones will be a hit as well. I got some regular jasmine rice this time, in addition to my other one, but I'm using this in part of tonight's dinner. You'll have to wait and see. And this is a new item. I figured the fam would like this. It's dill pickle mustard.
Yum.
Yeah. Well, I only got one. Restock of our favorite crunchy peanut butter. I think we're a little low. No surprise, more of my coffee. Last bag. We have some cauliflower. Be used for either tonight's dinner or tomorrow night's dinner, not sure yet. Broccoli. We've got some Monterey Jack cheese. This is gonna go into a meal next week. Yes. I got some crushed garlic. It's frozen. You just pop these suckers out and put them in your dish. Yum. More butter. More of my creamer, of course. I can't go without that. Restock of some frozen corn. Restock of my go-to quick and easy jasmine rice for the freezer. Then, this is a new item. Potato cheese sticks. A stick of cheese, batter, and cubes of potato fried to deliciousness. You put these in the air fryer. Stay tuned, we're gonna do these this week. I got 3 boxes of those. Well, there's 4 in a box, and the children will love these. So, got 3 boxes of that. I got a pound of ground beef. And lastly, 2 packages of chicken. Today's total was $105.89. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, bye.